Okay, so there's a new feature in the beta version of Adobe Photoshop that I found just kind of messing around. Oh, let me reset all this. Okay. It's called Generative Fill. And if you've used Photoshop for a long time, they give you access to the beta version of some software. It's pretty insane. It's artificial intelligence because that's getting into everything now. And this is actually kind of spooky because to me, guys, I'm sometimes okay with artificial intelligence, but it's it's going to allow people that have no Photoshop experience to be able to use Photoshop in whatever the way they want to. And let me just get to it. So um, you really let me just get to it. So like there's this guy here, right? And I just have to select him with the square marquee tool, hit generative fill, and all I'm going to type in here is remove man. That's all I'm going to do. It thinks for about 5 to 10 seconds. And bye-bye, Mr. Man. Oh, let's see, and I added a box. Every time I try and show the demo of this, oh, let's see. I can change there, okay? We can put a ball there. We can put whatever the heck that is, a barbecue pit or something. We'll put the ball there. We'll leave that there. And then I can come over here, right here, make that a little, no, you can't really use pictures that are too busy, that have too many, things in them. But I can put here, and I can put add couple. See how that does. There you go. Now you have a couple in your picture. So it's okay, and we can change the couple. We can make it that couple, or that couple, or that couple. And if you hit generate again, it should give me a whole different couple. So this is pretty insane. Oh, now I have 6 couples, so I can do this couple, this couple, this couple, this couple, this couple. You get the idea. So it's pretty crazy. This just came out recently because my version of Photoshop just updated. Let's see if I can remove this. Remove. I'm just typing remove. It's probably not going to do it because this is a little too much for it right now. But it's pretty okay. It did an okay job. It didn't do great. But you can't like select if you select like the whole picture and say, sorry, I say remove clouds. It's probably going to go crazy. It's probably just going to change the entire picture. This doesn't really work. And you can't really remove clouds. I mean, you can make it cloud the sky, I guess, but it doesn't. Yeah, see, that didn't like the desert. I mean, it did remove the clouds. I guess there's no clouds there, but you get the idea. I mean, it doesn't work. It doesn't do anything amazing. But let's see here. Let's try this. Let's do that. Let's do add graffiti. Let's see if this does anything. Okay, that worked. It's great. Let's see. Let's go over here and add art. Okay, there's your art. So, I mean, to me, it looks fairly real. It doesn't look. I'd be able to tell that was fake, but I mean, what else do you want? It's insane. So yeah, that's in the beta version of Photoshop. It'll probably have the name will probably change. Oh, and we can always change the art. Do this, do this, do this, do this. I'll leave that there. So yeah, that's generative fill coming to Photoshop soon. So crazy.